Today we got something juicy. Up to Academy, you know, just get some more angler stuff because I'm an angler. And then I'm gonna fish. But my buddy hit me up not too long ago, and he was asking if I want to go fish a pond. And oh buddy, a sharp turn. All right, yeah. So I'll see you guys probably here in well, for you guys it's gonna be like here in 5 seconds, but for me it's gonna be here in I keep looking at my fake watch. What does my fake watch read right now? 6:15. So yeah, you'll probably see me here in about 30 minutes. It's gonna get juicy. You know, I had to give me another. They're just too nice. They're too nice. I love them. Never actually really been a Magellan guy, but these things are nice, and I'm sweating my ass off. Why is this AC not on? Holy shit! Oh, dude, I totally forgot they're like limiting some stuff because of the coronavirus. I don't know if they're gonna have those snack wraps I'm wanting, and it looks like they're crossed out right now. I'm gonna be so pissed, dude.
And a spicy chicken sandwich combo today?
I'll pass. Could I just get 2 crispy chickens off the dollar menu? Yeah, and you guys still don't have those chicken go wraps, do you?
No, we no longer sell those.
Oh, okay.
We discontinued for good.
Oh, well, that's a damn shame. That'll be it.
All right, till 33:48.
Discontinued for good? I'll have to stop coming to Wendy's. Moth. Whew. Woo! Look at there. A little over 2 pounds probably. Not a bad fish. Finally getting after it. Finally. Whew. Fish on, baby. Oh, no. Oh, shit. There he is. There he is. Oh shit.
Going?
I was just reeling back in. Oh shit. Son of a bitch.
Workout in today.
Yeah, no shit. Okay. What the hell?
Best one, isn't it?
Huh?
Is that your biggest?
No, that one I yelled at you was a little bigger.
Was it?
Oh. Badass. Shit, they're biting. Get out of the moss every time. Jeez. Oh. Third time. Clearing out the moss again. How the hell did this happen? Oh. Little guy. Oh, baby! Feels good to catch a fish again. Oh. Or not a fish, but multiple fish in the same day. Wow, it's been a while, dude. Like I was telling you guys, it's been a drought for me. I haven't been getting any fish, dude. I mean, I get one here and there. It just seems like the lakes have been just dry. It has been a while since I got into fishing like that. I think we each caught, I don't know about him, I know he was pulling out a bunch too. I think I caught like probably 13, 14, maybe 15, you know, and nothing huge. But yeah, I just want to say thanks to Colton for actually taking me out there. I mean, it was fun. Finally actually getting into some bass, so that's good. Jacked. I'm jacked, dude. You guys are probably like wondering why I'm so jacked pulling out 1-pounders all day, but man, if you live in Kansas and been fishing lakes, man, it's been a drought. Great day of fishing, so I don't know how it's going to be with my GoPro died and I was recording on my phone out there, but I don't know how that's going to look. But finally getting into some bass. I am pumped, dude. I am pumped. Every time I go to the lake, I'd either get no fish or I'd pull out like one little dink, so it's great to finally pull out some. What's up? Yeah, go back where you from. Sorry, little raccoon problem back there. But yeah, anyway, if you guys did enjoy today's video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. It ain't up to me, it's up to you. So whatever you want to do you. So like I said, thanks for watching, guys, and I guess I will see you in the next video.